Today we're going to take a closer look at these handmade watercolor paints by the Art Spirits on Etsy. Hi and welcome back. We have something pretty exciting to show you today. We just launched a new handmade seller section on our website, and we're going to be featuring different Etsy shops here from time to time. And this is our very first handmade seller, the Art Spirits. And the shop owner, Rebecca, makes absolutely gorgeous handmade watercolor paints, and I'll be swatching these out for you guys to give you a closer look at this pan that we got in from her Etsy shop. Her shop link is in the description below and also up on our blog. When we first learned about the Art Spirits and what people were talking about was how high quality and pigmented her paints are, and how she wraps all of her little watercolor pans individually. And this is just so cute. Each one is like unwrapping a little gift. We just enjoy showcasing handmade sellers that go above and beyond to make their customers feel amazing. And opening this up right now is so much fun, you guys. And for those who have never bought handmade watercolor paints before, well, you are going to be paying a little bit of a premium price because it takes a long time to make watercolor paints. There's hours of milling involved, and the binders and supplies that go into making handcrafted paints are pretty expensive. Just from start to finish, it's really quite a long process, so the price does reflect that. These make a really great luxury gift for that person who loves to paint, or anyone would absolutely love these if they like to make card making or custom gift wrapping. If you do grab one for a gift, be sure to show them this video before they get into their paints, because I think they're going to really enjoy watching this and then unwrapping their very own set. And she's attached a magnet onto the bottom, so they're not going to move around in the pan too much. So that's a nice extra touch. So I'll just start setting up for the swatch here. And these wrappers will be kept for some card making and wrapping ideas coming up. Before you use watercolor paints, you're going to want to prime them first. So just add 1 drop of water onto each color that you're going to be using and let it sit for about a minute or two. And that's going to soak right into the paint and make it easier for your brush to pick up that pigment. Now the fun part. Swatching. And we're swatching out these on some black paper and then also some white paper, and we'll show you the difference. While I'm swatching these paints, we would really love to have you as a subscriber. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified when we have a brand new video. These pigments are absolutely gorgeous, and the sparkle is amazing. I can think of so many ways to use these, and especially if you're making cards and accents for gift wrapping and art, of course. And just look at how pretty. So these are definitely on our must-have list, and we hope that you check out their Etsy shop. We'll leave that link below for you. If you have an Etsy shop and want a possible feature on our website and YouTube channel, just leave your shop name below and we'll check it out. Till next time, have a great day, everyone.